Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to use the timer on this new balloon pump. It has two settings as you can see right here. So to activate the timer, you're going to switch to the setting that has two stripes. The timer is now activated and all you need to do is set it. It has two buttons which you can use to set the timer. The top one is to select and to set the numbers on the screen, and then the bottom one is to adjust the numbers on the screen. So when you're happy with the amount of milliseconds, you're going to press the top button again to set it, and then it's going to switch to select the number of seconds that you can put. I'm leaving it on 0 for the purpose of this video, but when you have the right number, just press the top button to set. When it is on the timer setting, you can't use the nozzles to inflate. It's not going to work. Okay, what you need to do is press the green button, and that will activate the airflow for however many seconds you put on the timer. So I hope that makes it a little bit more clear. I am definitely still playing around with this pump and trying to see what works for me and what I like. And if anything interesting comes up, I will definitely let you guys know. But that is it for now. Thank you for watching and I hope that helps.